Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to ground part. So for example, you can go to assembly and we insert for the new part, click open file. So I will use this example part, click open, and we need to insert and save first the file. Okay, I will save in here, click yes, and the next I will set to no. I will insert again by clicking at this body, moving, click again. We have these three objects. Click OK to apply. Now, if you want to set one of the object here to ground part, you can select the object. So like I will use the body too, and then click these icons toggle grounded. So to be automatically ground the selected part. So you can see we have these lock icons. So if you move, like I will click from this edge, this vertex to here, and use the fixed joint to be moved to ground body. Okay, I will click again from this point, and then I will click at this point or vertex, and you can use the joint fix to move. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to ground part.